Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best pin connector removal tool is probably one of the most essential gadgets for electronics enthusiasts, hobbyists, and professionals alike, ensuring effortless and damage-free disconnection of various pin connectors, saving you time, frustration, and potentially costly repairs from broken components. Whether you're working on intricate circuit boards, repairing automotive systems, or tackling any project involving delicate connectors, having the right tool for the job is paramount. Number 5. 82-piece Terminal Pin Removal Kit. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for efficient and safe terminal pin removal. It's perfect for automotive, household, and other electronic repairs. The kit includes 28 single-pin extractors, 30 double-pin extractors, and 24 casing tools, ensuring you have the right tool for every job. All are designed for precision and ease of use. For safety and portability, it comes with a sturdy protective case. This keeps the tools organized and prevents accidental injury. Made from durable stainless steel and high-quality plastic, these tools are built to last. They resist deformation, ensuring long-term reliable performance. It's suitable for various applications, from cars and motorcycles to household appliances and more. This kit is a must-have for any serious DIY enthusiast or professional. Removing terminal pins is easy with this kit. Simply push and pull to remove pins effortlessly, minimizing the risk of damage to the wires. What we like. It boasts an extensive collection of tools, ensuring compatibility with various terminals. The protective case keeps everything organized and safe. If you need a comprehensive and durable kit, this is the one for you. What people say. Function good to remove wires that needed to be removed. There are a variety of tools, just have to pick the right one that works, and label it so you know next time that one will work on same type plug if pins need removal. These have been awesome so far, useful on several different wiring harnesses. Not the perfect, OEM intended to pinning tools, but have worked almost as well in most cases, and all that have broken so far 7 to 8 broken as of now, a year later, having used or lent these out to work on several dozen harnesses with varying connectors. Applications at least outlived one of the significantly more expensive connector OEM to pinning tools one of my coworkers ordered for a specific harness. These have not replaced the OEM tool for every terminal contact, but for what they can work with, definitely worth cheaping out on them for the number of duplicates or close to duplicate sizes, shapes, and the alright durability. If you've ever stared down an automotive connector and thought, who designed this sorcery? This 139-piece depinning tool kit is for you. It's got a tool for just about every connector ever made, including ones that look like they were invented on another planet. It's basically free with shipping. And it works. I've already saved myself a bunch of headaches and broken tabs on various car harnesses. Number 4. Maerd 76 Pcs Terminal Removal Kit. This comprehensive kit makes removing even the toughest terminals a breeze. It's perfect for automotive, electronic, and household repairs. The kit comes in a protective case, keeping everything organized and safe from little hands. This ensures safe storage and easy portability. You get 76 high-quality pieces. This includes 28 single-pin extractors, 30 double-pin extractors, and 18 casing tools to handle any job. It's made from durable stainless steel and plastic, so it's built to withstand daily use. You can count on it for years to come. Removing terminals is quick and easy. The ergonomic design makes it simple to use, preventing damage to your connectors. From cars and motorcycles to household appliances, it's versatile enough for any project. Its compact size makes it ideal for various work environments. What we like. This kit offers a convenient portable design, perfect for on-the-go repairs. The added safety of the O-ring handle enhances your control and precision during use. If you value portability and safety, this is your best choice. What people say. I was pleasantly surprised at how well the individual tools work and how many different styles are included. They are very stout considering how small they are. I was able to reuse the pin and solder the wire for a permanent repair. Number 3. 96 Pcs Terminal Removal Tool Kit. This kit has everything you need for terminal removal. It includes various tools made of high-quality materials for durability and long-lasting use. It's made of high-quality stainless steel and plastic, ensuring it won't easily deform. You can use it repeatedly for all your projects. This versatile kit is suitable for most electronic equipment maintenance, automotive repair, and even furniture restoration. It simplifies various tasks. The ergonomic design of the tools makes them comfortable and easy to handle, even in tight spaces. They're safe and efficient to use. The Diamond Grip Terminal Cleaner removes corrosion and extends the life of your harnesses. The protective bag keeps everything organized and safe. Test your vehicle's power system with the included circuit tester. It's perfect for checking fuses and batteries. What we like. This kit goes above and beyond with extra tools for car detailing and electrical testing. It's perfect for those who need a versatile kit for various automotive tasks. If you need a multifunctional kit, this is the ideal option. Number 2. JRready ST5211 Pin Removal Kit. This comprehensive kit makes removing pins from weather pack and metri pack connectors a breeze. It's designed for efficiency and ease of use. This tool handles 16 to 18 AWG gauge weather pack terminals. It's a crucial component for working with various connector types. This versatile tool works with GT150, GT280, 150 and 280 metri pack connectors, plus many more. It simplifies the removal of various terminal types. This tool is compatible with a wide range of metri pack connectors, including 56 series, 280, 480, 630, and 800 series. It's built for durability and precision. This tool is specifically designed for AMP SuperSeal 1.5mm series connectors. It allows for both insertion and extraction of pins. It features a quenching process for higher hardness and corrosion resistance. The aluminum handle ensures comfortable and easy operation. If you have any questions, please contact us. We're here to help you find the right solution and provide a great shopping experience. Please include product pictures with your inquiry. What we like. It focuses on specialized tools for specific connector types, ensuring a precise fit and efficient removal. The high hardness ensures long-lasting durability. If you work with weather pack connectors, this kit is a must-have. What people say. These worked great for removal of my terminals. Nice case, keep tools from getting lost and has room for more. I had to disassemble the connectors on an aftermarket HID kit I had in order to get the wires through an existing hole. I fought with one trying to use a pick and then finally got it apart with a paperclip. I bought this kit and did the rest with it, and it was infinitely easier to do. Nice. Feels good in the hand. You can wedge it with your pinky or whatever. Hold it well with one hand while trying to manipulate the situation with the harness in its usual awkward tight space. The working end is machined nicely, no burrs. Tapered evenly. It does come with a case. Number 1. 172 Pcs Terminal Removal Kit. It's a comprehensive kit with 172 pieces, including single, double, and triple pin extractors, plus casing tools. Everything you need is right here, neatly organized. Made from durable stainless steel and high-quality plastic, it's built to last. This ensures it can handle repeated use without bending or breaking. Removing terminals is a breeze. Simply push and pull to release pins from connectors without causing damage to your wires. The kit comes with a protective case to keep everything organized and safe, preventing accidental injury or loss of parts. It also makes it easy to transport. It's perfect for various applications. Use it on cars, motorcycles, and household appliances. It's a must-have for any toolbox. The protective bag keeps your tools organized and prevents damage. It's also portable, so you can take it anywhere you need. What we like. This kit provides an extensive selection of tools, including various extractors for different pin types. The waterproof bag adds extra protection and durability. If you need a large and well-protected kit, this is the one for you. What people say. Terminal Removal Kit, a must-have for serious wiring repair and/or troubleshooting. These extraction tools are a good buy, for their application, and for their wide range of types and sizes. They are firm enough to compress the locking tab of a pin to extract it from a connector. Bought this to help depin a Lexus harness to relocate the ECU. It worked great with the Toyota-style connectors and shaved off hours of trying to do it with a jeweler's screwdriver. Not to mention I was able to remove pins without any damage to the plastic connectors. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.